Alright, making this video for you guys. So, I think this is important. So, the other day, I noticed, well, the stock market pullback, is very close to this upper major trend line. Get close to it, started to pull back. And then as it started to push up, it's like, hey, what's going on? Um, look like it's getting ready to rally over higher, rally higher. So, as it was going up, it came to me that it was an ABC correction. And it's like ABC correction. I say, huh. And then that day, it was while this candle was going on, this strong bullish candle pushing up, because we had a little minor break here, rejection. Started to push up strong on this 2 hour candle. All the YouTube feeds was all right. Stock market going up, we rallying higher. Strong morning, and then it fell right back down. This was a major bull trap, and broke this trend line right here from the bottom to the top. Broke this trend line. I feel like if this was to continue with a rally, that shouldn't have happened. At least not that soon. And it came down, and then yesterday it started to push back up. So they thought, okay, that was it. November supposed to be bullish. Thanksgiving supposed to be bullish. Monday and Tuesday on Thanksgiving weekend is, usually always weak, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday it picks back up. But we're gonna see the market opens in 4 minutes, and it's looking pretty bearish to me. Waiting to see if this breaks on the daily. And that's why you got to check the text. On the daily, you got wick. While this could somewhat be a bullish sign, whatever you want to call them things. I can't remember the names. You got this strong move down, and we're broken below the 8 exponential moving average. The next step after you break the 8 is usually it's going to come down to the 21. So I'm expecting at least a move somewhere down here today. On the 4 hour, you have all the moving averages, crossing over for a bearish signal. You got the 8 already crossed over the 21. The 21 already crossed under the 34. And now the 50 has crossed over all of those. So super bearish. And I had this golden zone up just to see where this may retest to. So what I did was I pulled from the high to the low, because if this is a downward move, I would expect this to push up to the golden zone and reverse back. So that's a way you could kind of look for a bearish reversal when you're on an uptrend, So we broke the trend. You could see right there almost a beautiful kiss of the golden zone, and then a sloppy, what looks to be a reversal, but we'll see. This could easily still go up like that, but I think today it's going to come down. So yeah, we're broken under the 200 on the 2 hour and well above everything on the 1 hour. So we just need a clean break of this level on a higher time frame, like the 2 hour. Clean break of this level, and then see what it does. So I'm gonna keep the stream, the recording going while I make the rest of the video. So looking. I'll just call out anything that I see. So this gives me an overall feel for the market. Looking at the US 500, check the US 100. Same thing. This had a very strong breakthrough through the upper portion and through the upper trend line, but came back down. This does not look good. Although, this could be, like a double bottom turnaround right here, and then a reversal. So need to see if this breaks right there. See if that breaks. Market opens in 1 minute. 1 minute, and I ain't do what I supposed to do yet. Same situation going on now. S&P 500, and check the Nasdaq. All right, Nasdaq. We want to see if that breaks. All right, Dow. I don't care for, but whatever. Drop in US 500. Drop in. Tesla. Look at my stocks. Oh, market is officially open. Alright, let's see what happens. I say Tesla is gonna fall. I'm not buying Tesla today. Let's see what it does. I was supposed to do this from last night. Let's go red. Just to give you all an update. So yesterday I sold Netflix and I sold Chewy. Oh boy. Look, I'm up, I'm up. Oh, Roku is doing awesome. Thank you. Awesome for the day, Roku. Thank you. Check to see how long I want to hold that. So history, just to give you all the update. I sent the screenshot out earlier. Recent moves. I secured Netflix for 500, and then I sold Chewy and made about 250 or so off of Chewy. Wasn't the high of that trade, but I feel better to get out and be safe. I didn't want a gazillion trades open just in case the market does something crazy. So far we're looking good for the start of the day. PayPal is back in the green. Nvidia is dropping a lot. I was negative 300 at the close of yesterday. Roku is doing great. I was like 120 or 130 at the close of yesterday. So let's see how this plays out. I don't think I want to get into any trades. Don't think I want to get into any trades. So this is PayPal. Just to give you a quick overview. So PayPal has been on a serious decline, targeting this bottom level of support. After breaking through this, I wanted to catch it earlier, but I got in late. So so hoping to get down here. So I need to see a break of this. Get down to my target. Caterpillar been looking bullish. And usually Cat does its own thing. It doesn't really care what the market is doing most of the time. Square. So Square opened up on the week. I was on the weekend. I say when the market open, if this breaks strong, to get a nice close under this, I buy. When the market opened, it was almost all the way down here to my target. So that was actually my number one trade outlook for the week. But I say leave it alone, Chris. This actually looks bearish. 107 to 200. That's a good couple $100 right there. I may get in on that. No, let me leave it. Home Depot, super strong. I've been wanting to trade this. Got in on a trade and got a good thing too. Twitter. Okay, so Twitter broke this. I missed that. This would have been a good entry somewhere right up in here around this 48 price. Because then you have all this distance down to this next level. But I'm only $3 away from the next level of support, so That ain't enough for me. Bank of America being crazy. Bro came down and shot straight back up. SoFi garbage, doing garbage. AMC. Oh, I almost bought this yesterday. Thank you, Lord, I didn't. I almost bought this yesterday. Didn't like how the technicals was looking though. Felt like buying it, but did not like how the technicals was looking. GameStop doesn't know what it wants to do, man. And sometimes you don't know, even if the technicals say bullish, sometimes you don't know how it's going to respond in a red market or bearish market. It may just go with the flow. AT&T. Don't like it. Come on. Yeah. Strong on Roku. Come on, guys. Whatever. That's because I recorded, man. Recording got the boy a little laggy. It's ridiculous. Maybe it's because all these tabs, Bianca. Okay. Alright, we looking green. AMD is in the green. Nvidia is almost there. Roku. I think I bought Roku for 2 weeks out. I bought this for like 800. Yeah, this expires next week Friday. So I'm gonna see the momentum on that and if I should hold or not. DK and I don't know what this. Oh, I this from last week. I closed that out. Oops. This ain't a bad play. It's right at a key level. Next level is somewhere around here. $50 to $55, not enough movement, going too slow. Sometimes the speed too of the drop. There ain't enough price left in this to make no money. Snap. So I was looking for a close above this level. It came right to it and got rejected. But it was too late to kind of get in on a sell because then you have this down here. So I need to see what does this want to do, go up or go down. If it breaks this level, I would sell down to this next level. That would be good. Intel be confusing me. Nvidia, we in on Nvidia. So Nvidia, I think is kind of a similar. I'm hoping it's kind of a similar ABC. Crazy strong move. I was actually trading Nvidia down here. Oh my god, how close to this trend line. Well, you know, if that was my 2-month contract and ride that up. So Nvidia, this is the golden zone I have marked up for Nvidia. I really need to see a good strong break of this support and resistance right there. I want to see a break to come down a little bit. Louis fucking cat. Could be $500 boy. AMD, same kind of story. Want to see this follow through. I like to see it come down to this level. You know. Same thing. If this could get through this, That'd be beautiful. Sometimes I like to use these shorter lines instead of a full trend line. I mean a full like horizontal line. Just because it gives you a more of a focus. It says, hey, I'm focusing on this area. Right here. To me. Yeah, so while I've secured some profit for the week and I have some money to get back into some trades, now I own the collect and run. So I already started the week off in 5 trades, which is kind of like my max for the week. But I say, you know what, the week look like it can be good. I mean, I like AMD and Nvidia. I have been wanting to play with them for a while. They made some strong runs. It's time for a little correction. You see here, it did break the 50, but it was immediate bounce, pushed to the upside. That's on the 2 hour. Now it broke the 50. This could almost be considered a retest, before it falls through. But it could also, be a break and then a pushback to the upside. I hope and that's not the case. Just gonna have to see what happens. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm ready to close one of these out. I don't like what I see on AMD. Stupid thing, man. Yeah, I already broke through this level. Now it won't play hop around. Let's just go. I mean, as you can see, my target is pretty far out. I bought this trade for 3 weeks out to give it some time to drop. So initially I was thinking to hold it, for at least a week or two. But I'll take my money and run. I ain't got no time. Not for that. That looks bearish to me. Look like that just want to fall right through. Roku, that's the next one I got into. See my target down here. I'm already up like 300 on Roku. If I hold it to my target, that could be, close to 1,000. So I got in. I had this level marked up. It broke the level. I got in here. Continued to push down. Got a bit slow here. You see all this consolidation right here. So it got a bit slow. And I'm hoping it falls through down to this level. I take profit maybe somewhere right here. It doesn't have to get all the way to the target. Just, get close. But she moving strong today though. I appreciate you, Roku. We've been sandbagging right here yesterday, up and down and sandbagging, and now we broke that. So I feel better. That we broke that. Well, I need to see it close. I need to see this come down and close. Okay, what's the overall market doing since it opened? All right, so as you can see, we still playing yo-yo right here on the 2 hour. It is now 9:45-ish, 9:44. So only one 15-minute candle since the market has opened at 9:30, which is this. So waiting to see what it does. Pretty much nobody knows what they want to do. Bunch of indecision going on. Market open and all it's done is bounce right here. So it's trying to make up its mind. As you can see, some strong selling for the day on this one candle, but it's just not going anywhere. As we know that this candle, and that's why the RSI divergence is good. Let me see if I can pull that up. All right, so the MACD got some red bars, but we got a lot of volume, right? We got good volume so far. You know, look at the volume compared to the past couple of days. We got good volume. And the volume tells us that, hey, there's a ton of selling going on right now. The only thing is, we don't know if that's just one more seller versus one buyer. I mean, versus then all the other buyers, like one more on the sell side than the buy side. So this doesn't tell us how many selling versus how much buying. Now, you could get like level 2 market data that will tell you how much people sell in the stock, how much people short in the stock, how big are their position sizes. And that could really help you a lot, because you could be like, boy, someone's selling, 10 million of Tesla at XYZ price. And so you could kind of see, not just based on the stick, but you can see the actual, similar to like when we trade crypto. I don't have that information to see the orders, but that's how it would help. You could help to use it. As you can see, we under the 50 on the RSI. That's a 15-minute, but MACD showing red, push to the downside. Let me pull up RSI divergence if I still have it. I know the settings may be off. RSI divergence. RSI divergence. I don't know if it's the same one, but we're gonna use it. No, that's not the one. I gotta find it, but I gotta find it. I don't even think it was RSI divergence. I think it was called something else. I gotta look for that. That was useful for stuff like this. Showed you the sellers in relation to the buyers to a degree. So let's put back up the MACD. The MACD. Ain't no stopping us now. Poking through. Oh, we just needed to cut loose. We just needed to cut loose. Alright, let's see what's back to the 2 hour. We just need this to cut loose, man. Tesla, see, even Tesla still just sitting there. No one know what they want to do. The market just kind of waiting for someone to freak out. Go and pick a direction. Yesterday by this time. Strong candles. See my PayPal and pull back up. Cat looking good. I told you our cat was looking good. Boy. Look at that on the daily. Bounce off the 50. There's buy signal right here. Bounce off the 50. Everybody stacked up nice for the sell. We started to have yeah, we still strong. We had a little dip here, a little sell signal here, but now we back on track. As you could see, it not perfect. Okay, there's a bigger trend line. That's what's going on. Just in case, let's check this. So if it's gonna reverse back to the downside, it may do it somewhere around the golden zone. But I think if I get a break of this, I'll buy. I don't know, maybe I should leave cat alone. Oh, flip. Hey, sorry, I just see the time. I had my face deep in the stock market. Market is open 9:30, so my brain went one side at the minute 9:30. I apologize. No, I wouldn't get there in time, I guess, to drop it for 10 when you leave. Because I was gonna see if I could leave out earlier, because I have an 11 o'clock appointment. But I just needed to see what's going on with my money. All right. Whoa! Where all my money go? Look at that. That's ridiculous. I have $300+ on Roku. Down half of that. Now I'm all in the red. So I was up 48. I was up like $600. And now I'm down 650 from the high. Hey. Morning.
So what's the outcome? You have an appointment, you said at 11?
Yeah, and then one right after at well, I don't know how long that one gonna be at. Maybe not be too long. I have one for 11 and one at 2. So
Where are they gonna be? Where are they?
they're like in my area.
What time you was planning on going to Brian's?
Hopefully like 3ish.
Okay. Does that have to be done today? Because they're going live. That's why I'm just taking the last minute things that I have today.
Yeah.
3. Okay. I guess.
Or if my 11 goes really fast, I'll go before my 2 o'clock.
Okay, we're still here. We haven't left yet because we waited for the people to come to the seats. So we can't leave without them being here. They run late. So we're still here. So it's up to you if you want to pray. I don't know. I just can't leave.
Yeah, I could drop it there. I could drop it there before it's 10 o'clock. Yeah, I could drop it there before 11.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll hear. We're here. Worst case, if we have to leave, we'll see where you are.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
All
Sounds good.
right. All right. And come on, wait. How it is. Nasdaq is tech. It's them whole up kind of morning. I didn't even get you on my stocks yet. What are you doing, boy? Anyway, I have that till next week. What are y'all doing? It's red day. That's why the candle close is so important because, yeah, we did break through this level and then a reverse and push back up. So that's why having a good close, at least on the 30-minute, is good. And you don't take trades just because the candle just poked through, But hopefully we see a reversal somewhere around here. And she flashed back down. Just hitting 10 o'clock. 9:30 to 10 o'clock sometimes. As far as 10:30 is kind of be like the make up your mind time for the market. Some mornings it just drop, some mornings it just goes straight up, and some mornings you have indecision, and it may stay in indecision all day. I don't know. Just gotta see. I know it looked bearish. You're telling me the stupid statistics of Thanksgiving week being bullish is gonna override the technical analysis. We'll see. Go back to the 2 hour. T-Doc. Oof. I was supposed to get in on this. Well, shoot. Just kind of in no man's land until it gets down here, but oh, that'll be a good trade too. That'd be close to $1,000 right there. But I mean, it has made some crazy drops in the past. Like, look at that one with very, very minor pullback. Crazy drop. Bang, bang, bang. This was crazy. Bang. And then this bang. So it does that. You gotta look at the characteristics of the stock. Also, a good trick to do too is to count the candle. If a trade is time sensitive, see what a rough average is of how much time it takes for a stock to do its thing. I'm so tempted to get in on this. That's a nice close below this level. Tempted, oh I'm tempted, oh I'm tempted. Because I was looking at this up here and I didn't get back to it. I didn't get to do technical analysis last night. I didn't get to do it yesterday morning. But this is a daily, so this actually happened this was yesterday, this was Friday. So this sell signal happened on Thursday. I didn't look at this properly. Or maybe, no, what happened was, I think I saw it last week, but I stayed out of the trade, and then I was looking at this next level. And it's broken that next level. So what do? Do I stay? Do I go? I don't know. Some stocks, the crappy stocks that have been crashing, look like they want to reverse and go up. And the good stocks that have been doing well look like they want to go down. This was another one I was looking to get in on, but it kind of moves slow. And this one has somewhat of a bigger. Let's see, 273 to 255. That's shoot, that close to $2,000 right there. If I was to get in on one of these boys. Checking the two low spots right in the past. And just kind of boxing in price to try and get a better idea what it may want to do. So I just was wondering if this was going to be a double bottom. There's a double bottom and a mini head and shoulders almost. Came. Yeah, so Chewy, the high of Chewy never hit 500 for me. But the high of Chewy would have been down here if I had sold. But I was hoping it would have come down to this a little bit more, just a little bit more. And it reversed, so I got out right around here yesterday. Now let's see what it does. May go all the way back up to my entry. You never know. May go all the way back up to the trend line. Oh, Facebook. Facebook is trying to make up its mind. Yeah, we got a little double top here, but this still could push up, but I don't know. Sometimes too, when the check is, if a trade might be staying bearish, don't think because it reversed it's going back bullish. It could be a longer bearish trend. Could be a longer bearish trend. And you could kind of see that. You could kind of see that. Oh, sorry, what am I doing? All right, so pull from the previous high, the fib down to the recent low, and look where price is. Look at that golden zone. Cheesy, baby. Get that out of the way. All right, so this is a golden zone. So if this was going to be a bearish move, basically if it was going to go up, pull back, this is just a bounce and then fall back down. This is most likely the place it would reverse from. So we broke through this strong level of support and resistance twice, came back through, and now we're actually lower than the previous low. So we made a lower low. Although it's only with wicks, we made a lower low. We made a lower low. The daily. are below the 8, below the 34 and the 21. This support and resistance level right here is the only thing keeping us up. And even if this is a correction from this trend and it's still going to continue to the upside, most likely level of reversal is here, this golden zone right here, this level, which is $6 away. So worst case, that could be an okay trade, but I'm gonna wait to see what this wants to do. Get these out of the way. And this the weekly golden zone. So taking a look at all of this, it reversed to the golden zone, bounced back up to another golden zone from this section. And now we'll see what it's doing. You want to get golden zone crazy. You could use the golden zone to find pivot points for scalping too. Like this, the golden zone of this run. And you can see it kind of slow up right around there too. So, you can't get too crazy. Amazon. Is this a retest? Or is it false back to the downside? Netflix, we are on the daily. Netflix, my boo. You can't get caught up trading the same thing over and over though. And you don't make your play. You don't take money off of it. Unless you see it set up solid. Leave it, wait. So we got our double top. So anyway. Double top, strong base right here. It breaks this. Very interesting. ABC. Could be ABC. It's C stop here. So now I won't push on up through. Could be. Sitting on the 200, sitting on this strong level of resistance. Don't know. But I know in an overall market that's looking weak, I wouldn't want to get in on any of these major stocks because I don't know. It's just, you gotta be careful. See, still don't know what we're gonna do today. She playing. She playing, man. For a C correction, it would at least need to come back down to the A. They say the C wave and the A wave can tend to be of equal lengths. Well, there you go. If I measure from the top to the bottom, that could be the C wave, the full extent of the C wave right there. And so this could be a double bottom, and this could push to the upside like that. Because remember, I don't really have a wave count, even though C wave's supposed to have the most waves, and this only have 1, 2, 3. Whereas this got a gazillion. That's tricky. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh boy. To be red, to be green, and then to be red. That's like open up. Right there. PayPal, don't know. Scroll down. And this how it is. Like sometime you be up. Be up. 1 second. Down the next. Start the week off good, and the week can end bad. Every trade that's still open is a risk of the unknown. Every open trade is the unknown. So right now we got PayPal. Hello. Garbage. What? Yep, $300 and back down to 100. Now this look like this one play Euro. Creeping back up, passing the 50. Back D. We got the cross. Flash green. Green volume today. Ain't really much volume on this. Local the same. I think flash and buy signal right there. Divergence on the RSI on the 2 hour. And bye. Could be bad. Could be bad, Chris. No longer in Chewy, no longer in Netflix. I am, however, in AMD and Nvidia. Alright. Don't like this. All right, 10:15. That's enough staring at it. So you're gonna do one thing or the other. Either we gotta make money or lose money. I haven't seen enough yet to say close my positions. Because there's a strong risk for it to go to the upside. Overall, the technical analysis, especially on the bigger time frame, says bearish. However, it is taking its nice slow time this morning to move in a particular direction, which I don't like, because then sometimes that could lead to those sharp, reversals, in this case bullish. But no, I'm gonna wait. Like I said, it's just not enough. There's feeling and there's fear that it could reverse and push up and you could lose money. But the technical analysis says bullish to me. Bearish. So that's it. Hope you learned something. And just to see, what the process is, start the morning out like this. Now I go about the rest of my day and just check my phone periodically to see what the market is doing. But from 9:30 to 10:15, 10:30, it's a good time to see what's up.